Hey yummies, what y'all cooking today? We're making blackened salmon. Let's get into it.
We start off with 3 thawed out salmon fish fillets, and then we put together our seasonings of garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. And we mix those together and sprinkle our salmon fish fillets on one side. Then we add smoked paprika and black pepper, swirl that together. And we are going to add that on top of our salmon fish fillets. And this is what is going to give it the blackened effect when we pan fry them. Then we prepare our pan for cooking by putting 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan on medium heat. And then we place our salmon fish fillets in the pan, seasoning side down. These happen to be skinless, so just one side. And let those cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until those salmon fillets are blackened. After about 5 to 10 minutes on one side, then we are going to flip those salmon fillets over and cook them for a few minutes on the unseasoned side. And not too long, because you don't want to overcook the salmon. You don't want it to be dry. You'd like it to be still juicy. And once that's done, we're finished. We take them out and we plate them like I've done here on a bed of microgreens, or you can have it with your favorite side dish. But I prefer, especially in the summer, to have this with a plate of greens. Delicious! Yum!
Those salmon fillets were so yummy. Cooked to perfection, in my opinion. I hope you guys try the recipe. If you do, let me know. Also, please make sure you share this video, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace and blessings.